what's going on, everybody? Welcome once again to Online TV. Thank you for coming once again to my channel. I'm Nelson Arevalo Jr. and welcome to Online TV. Today, guys, I have a special review and unboxing of the AIRSHIP collabo with the corporate Gotham store collabo. But before we begin, I do have to say, if you're new here, please subscribe. It would really mean so much to me. Sorry about that, my ring bell. It would really mean so much to me if you would please subscribe to my channel. It's totally free, and that one subscription of you comes such a long way. Now, this video is sponsored by Enlime, the #1 brand out there. Check me out on Instagram at EnlimeNYC. And if you want to support, cop some merch, go to my website, EnlimeNYC.com. Let's get right into it. I got the box right here. We got the Air Jordan box. Really cool packaging. We got the it's an all black box, all matte, and then it has a glossy varnish with the whole big globe on top, black on black. Then we got the globe in the middle with the beige. Then the Jordan Man in the middle, red, and it reads Air Jordan International Flight Club. And on the box, we see like a whole bunch of oh, that's cool. It's actually sticker, but so I can see here. I want to compare this box to I got the Philippine box here somewhere. I have the Filipino box right here. And this one has only 3 of those, and there are like stickers mounted on the box. But these 3 cities are actually printed on the box, if that makes sense. The cities that already released, I'm assuming, and the new collabos, which is Tokyo, Beijing. Wow, I never noticed the Beijing one in the back. Cincinnati, which is the one I'm holding right here, and then Paris. So I'm not sure which ones corresponds to each city, but I do know the old ones. There's a rumor that the Paris one might be those Jordan 2s, but I don't think it is, honestly. So let's just get right into it, guys. The box is like very intricate. These are size 10.5. You know how to get my size. Air Jordan. So the PE, the AIRSHIP is originally a Nike. It's a Nike product, but it moved more towards like a Jordan brand. Even though Jordan and Nike is kind of the same, but now it's called the Jordan AIRSHIP. So for those of you not familiar with the Jordan AIRSHIP, this was the shoe that he wore before the Air Jordan 1. So boom, let's just get right into it. So this corporate Gotham boutique store in Cincinnati, Ohio, but they do have like, I believe, 2 other stores in Indianapolis. I'm not too sure, but boom, this is the shoe right off the bat. Like, wow, this is fire. Like right off the bat, this is fire. This is why I like this shoe so much. The color, fire shoe, fire silhouette, so much detail, so much stuff in this video. But yeah, guys, this is the shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Comes with a hang tag. The hang tag says corporate on one side, the other side, the Air Jordan International Flight Club. And let's get right into the shoe, guys. It's time to review the shoe. Got the bottom, that gray sole on the bottom. Gray sole on the bottom. Midsole is a white, but it's not a pure white, if that makes sense. It's more of like an egg white. It's not like a pure white. Ooh, interesting. So let me compare another Air Jordan ship. I just want to see like the difference in size. Okay, so they put another outline here of the Jordan swoosh. Is like a white patent leather. You know, I thought it was silver, but yeah, white. I really like the white laces. You know, it complements the shoe. It's an all teal, bright teal shoe, because it's not the teal. This is a bright teal. For those of you calling this a teal shoe, this is not a teal. This is not a teal color. This is a bright teal, guys. Come on. or like a, you know, like a light teal, because you guys know teal is darker than this. Know your colors, man. Y'all out here calling this teal. This ain't teal. Anyways, white laces, different laces. Got the Ton Nike Air. Inside we got I Love You Larry. So this is the owner's dad. Insole we got the Cincinnati Skyline View right there. And got that polyurethane midsole. Polyurethane sole, which is pretty good. For those of you wondering the size, I do recommend going half the size. These are a little snug to me, but you know, wear the thin socks. What I love about this shoe is this suede over here. It's kind of like that long hair suede, not crazy long, but long enough. Then we got that corporate logo, corporate got 'em on the heel. On the heel we got 'em, and then we got that nubuck suede up top. Wow, so much like detail on this shoe. Like, I love it. But I love this shoe, honestly. It like reminds me of like that monster from Monsters Inc. Sully, whatever, or Mike, or whatever their names is. I never. But yeah, it reminds me of that. Oh, and on this one it says "For the City" and signed by, you know, the owner. Does it also say "We did it"? So I'm assuming there's another friend of his that also passed away. So the Larry is his dad, and Alba is probably his friend. And it's just amazing around the story around this shoe. I didn't even show you guys the tissue paper, but yeah, he got this idea of this color. So he says that he got this idea from like the fountain. He said that Cincinnati is always recognized as black and red. But I feel like I've seen a couple of Cincinnati hats this color, so anyways. Yeah, guys, this is the shoe. Let me know what you guys thinking in the comments. How you feel about the shoe, the details. Definitely a shoe that is worth keeping in your collection. I really like this long hair suede. And yeah, guys, I think I pretty much got into everything. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate your support. Follow me on Instagram at NLamNYC. And if you want to cop some merch, go to my website, nlamnyc.com. Thank you guys.